Alright, what is up YouTube? I'm back. So today, what I have planned is probably another full day of eating. And I'm gonna go hit Gold's Gym with a friend, or two maybe, I'm not really sure yet. But we're gonna go hit back and buys. So I'm gonna get some clips of that for you guys. And then I'll come back and show you guys what I eat for the rest of the day. So it is currently 11:30. And we're going to go to the gym in an hour and a half, 2 hours, I believe. So we need to get food in us like immediately. So we're going to finish this rice, eggs, chicken, beef. We're going to kill that. And then we're going to have 2 rice cakes with some honey. And if we're still hungry, we're probably going to have like a little cup of the Oikos yogurt. But that should be enough food before the gym, hopefully. A bunch of rice, some more rice cakes, and maybe a Rice Krispie treat on the way there for more carbs. But, yeah. So I'm going to show you guys what I'm going to make right now. Just get everything ready. I'm going to put my Gatorade in here. Then I'm going to put a scoop of the True Athlete electrolytes. Has a bunch of vitamins in it as well. And then I'm also going to put 2 scoops of creatine electrolytes. So it's pretty much 5 grams of creatine and a bunch of magnesium, chloride, sodium, potassium. The only thing that's not in here is calcium, but the other electrolytes, the True Athlete one has around 60 milligrams of calcium, but calcium's way easier to get through a diet, especially if you're eating like animal products. But yeah, so that's going to be that. Oh, did I just put one? Yeah, okay. One more scoop to make it 2. Yeah, that's going to be what we're sipping on before, during, and after the workout, just to keep us fueled. I'm going to add a little bit of water into there. And then pre-workout. So I'm going to consume this about 30 minutes before I work out on the way to the gym. You know, all that good stuff. I think today we're going to do a little more than a scoop because I felt pretty good on the last chest day that I recorded with just 1 scoop, and I almost felt like I can have a little more. So today we're going to experiment with a scoop and a quarter. Yeah, that seems about right. Alright, I'm going to top this off with water. A lot of water today because we are sore from that leg day that I had 2 days ago. And let me tell you, I can't even like flex my freaking calf without having this sharp pain shooting up my calf. But that's a good sign. That means that I definitely needed to do calves. But definitely going to be sore for this back day. Back and buys, but we'll get through it. Alright, so I'm going to eat this food. Maybe I'll have like a little peach or an orange with it. But I'll eat this and then check in back with you guys. So, see you later. Okay, I'm back. So, it's been about an hour. I ate all the rice. And we're going to be working out probably in an hour. Within the hour. So, what we're going to do now is pour some of this honey onto these 2 rice cakes to have some extra carbs for this pump and workout. And also what I've been doing is sipping on my Gatorade, electrolytes, creatine, and water. And what I've been doing is just sipping a little at a time and then refilling it with water for two reasons. One, there's a lot of powder in here, a lot of electrolytes and creatine. So at first it's going to be pretty strong. And two, you can also stay more hydrated, especially because I'm trying to make this last till the end of the workout, or like while I'm drinking it the entire workout. So I have it for the whole session. So yeah, I'm just pretty much constantly trying to hydrate as much as possible. Load up my body with electrolytes, creatine, carbohydrates, and yeah, just food and calories in general. So I'm nice and full and have a good energy source for this entire workout. So yeah, it is currently 12:57. We are probably gonna go to the gym within the hour. And yeah, so I'm gonna eat these, and I'll talk to you guys when I'm on the way to the gym. Okay, so we are at Gold's Gym now. Finishing up the pre-workout. I had to stop at the gas station, get a little Rice Krispie treat. So this one right here has 60 grams of carbs. So I'm probably gonna have like half of it now and half of it after. So I can eat something right away after I finish the workout. But yeah, like I said, we're gonna do back and biceps. And back is pretty simple, you know. You're gonna just do some sort of row, some sort of pull up or pull down, and then a pull over. And that's really all back consists of. And for biceps, I mean, any sort of curling motion with either dumbbells, machine, barbell, easy bar, whatever. But yeah, I'm assuming that we're gonna do 3-4 exercises for back, probably 2-3 working sets each, and then we'll jump into biceps and probably do some rear delts as well. So it's pretty much like a pull day. But yeah, so just waiting for the gym bro to get here, and then I'll see you guys in there. pulling down at the same time. So we just finished up. We ended up doing a little bit of forearms at the end of the workout that I did not record because it was getting way too packed, but still a solid workout. And we also hit the sauna, which was good. Haven't hit the sauna in a minute. We just did 2 intervals of 10 minutes. Got a good sweat in. Feeling pretty good. So continuing on post-workout, the first thing I'm gonna be consuming is another shake. This is just gonna consist of like 40 grams whey protein, some oats, peanut butter, whole milk, and 5 grams of creatine. So this is what I'm gonna be drinking on the way home right after the workout. It's very essential that after you work out, you wanna consume protein and carbohydrates within like the hour after you work out, because you want to make sure that you're replenishing your body. You know, you just worked out, you worked hard, you're completely drained of all your carbs, energy, creatine, ATP, everything. So you want to really make sure that you're replenishing yourself with that protein as well, and just calories in general, to start healing your muscles and start building more muscle mass. But yeah, so I'm gonna catch you guys at home for the next actual meal of food. I think we're gonna eat some steak, cook up some steak, show you guys how I cook that, and yeah, I'll catch you guys later. Alright, so we made it back home, and I'm gonna show you guys what I'm going to be making for the post-workout meal. I was thinking we're just gonna do some rice. This is gonna equal to 120 grams of carbs total, so we'll cut that in half because I'm cooking for my mom and me. So it'll be 60 grams of carbs that I'll have with that. Some beans with that. I mean, the macros are 3.5 times 2. So it's gonna be like 35 grams of carbs for my serving size from that too. So I'll probably have around 80 to 90 grams of carbs just in rice and beans. And then I'm gonna have a steak or 2, which is gonna be around 50 to 100 grams of protein. And then I'm also gonna cook up some corn and asparagus. So right now all I'm doing is heating up some water for the rice and another pot for the beans. And I'll catch you guys outside so I can show you what I'm grilling. Alright. So, this is what I'm going to be making. Just 4 pieces of steak. And that'll be for me throughout the week and my mom. And then I'm also going to cook 2 more pieces for this little guy over here. Let me show you him. This is Bruce. He's currently trying to eat a fly. What are you doing? Yeah, he's being a good boy over there. So, yeah, that's what we're gonna do right now. I also have some corn and asparagus. So we're gonna throw that on the grill now. Get everything cooking. And what I also do is I have Peter Luger steak sauce, and I like to put that on the steak while I'm grilling it because it gets a very nice flavor when it's charred. So I just put that on the steaks, just a little bit. It's also really low calorie, it's like 30 calories. So you rub that on, and just throw it on the grill. Okay. So yeah, I'll take you guys in when everything is looking good. Okay, so the steaks are done. These 4 are going to be for my mom and I, and these 2 have no seasoning, no sauce. They're going to be for this guy who's laying on the ground right now, waiting for his dinner. But yeah, so this is what the corn and the asparagus looks like, and we're just waiting on the rice to finish and the beans to heat up, and then I'll show you guys what my plate looks like. So yeah, see you guys later. Okay, so this is what the plate looks like. You got steak, protein, some vegetables for some fiber, rice and beans, carbohydrates, and yeah, I mean, as you can see here, there's just only single ingredients: rice, beans, corn, asparagus, steak. And yeah, all these are whole foods. This is pretty much what my diet consists of. This is like a perfect example of like what I would eat for dinner. And then I just have some Coke Zero, water, and this is what Bruce's dinner is. Some steak with some treats with vitamins, milk bone, and he's apples, greens, and other stuff. So he's waiting here like a good boy for his dinner, and he's gonna eat when I eat my food too. So yeah, I'll check back in with you guys when I finish and for the next meal. So I'll see you guys later. What's up, guys? So I finished dinner. Been digesting for like 30 minutes. And I'm still hungry. So I mean, that's a good sign. It's never a bad thing to be hungry, but that just shows how depleted I am. My body is telling me that I need more food, nutrients, and whatever. So what I'm going to eat now is yogurt with some strawberries. Just gonna finish these. It's only like 4, 5, 6 strawberries. The yogurt, and then this is a chickpea and cucumber salad with olive oil and balsamic vinaigrette. Just yeah, a little bit of dressing, pretty much just soaking in here. But yeah, I'm gonna finish this, have the yogurt, strawberries, and that's gonna be my next meal. It's currently 7 o'clock, so I'm thinking in another 2 hours I'm probably gonna have one final meal before bed. It's probably just gonna be more steak, rice, and beans. And yeah, so I'll show you guys that later when I finish eating. Alright, so it's currently 8:30 p.m. We are still pretty full from that yogurt with strawberries, and I finished those chickpeas, cucumber salad. Those are all pretty good, but the last thing I'm going to consume today is this Fit Crunch protein bar. It's a chocolate chip cookie dough. It tastes pretty good. 16 grams of protein, 11 grams of fat, and 16 grams of carbs. And then I'm also going to just crush a water bottle with some more electrolytes. I'm pretty beat from yesterday's leg day, or yesterday's chest day, and then leg day 2 days ago. So you guys know, if you work out at least and you hit legs, the second day is always the worst when you're sore. And today's back day, back and bis, was pretty good. So no, I'm gonna definitely be sore from that in the morning. But yeah, so I'm gonna crush this bar, pound this water, and get some rest tonight. So thank you guys for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you for tuning in to the third video of the channel. Next video, we're probably gonna do some shoulders and another day of just a full day of eating. That'll probably be tomorrow. So yeah, I'll record that and start getting that up for you guys to watch. But that's all for today. Thank you guys. Like and subscribe if you enjoy, and peace out.